This video will focus on creating a task list inside of Teams. Open your Teams. Maximize the screen. Go to the channel where you want to create the task list. Click on the plus. Look for tasks by planner. You can enter it in search if you don't see it. Click on the icon. Enter a name that makes sense. Now click Save. Oh, keep that checked as well. You'll notice it'll appear in the channel to notify people that you've added the task list. Okay, click Add a Task. So enter a task name. And then click the Assign. Select the name. There you go. Now click on adding another task. Enter a name. Select Assign to. There we go. So if you want to edit the task, click the ellipses to the right, and you can change who it's assigned to. We have 2 people now. If you want to delete a task, click the ellipses beside the task and click Delete. That concludes the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.